Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Qatar edition on Binary Life. And if you're new to the channel, Binary Life is a channel that teaches new developer how to code by solving multiple algorithms so that you can see the walkthrough process, how the thinking is done and how the solution come to life. Today we'll be solving a 7Q Qatar called 2 to 1. Now let's read and understand the exercise rapidly. Take two strings S1 and S2, including only letters from A to Z, so they're just alphabetical letters there. Return a new sorted string. That's the final answer. The longest possible, containing distinct letters, each taken only once, coming from S1 and S2. So basically this is the first string and this is the second string here. So we have to return a combination of the two of them. So if we combine these strings here, it's going to give this, but not just this. We have to combine it, and then we have to remove duplicates, and then we have to return the results in an alphabetical order. Basically that's it. The same thing here. If we pass A and A, the same string, is what we're going to obtain. So how can we solve this problem? In my opinion, we have to take each string and remove the duplicate. Like we'll remove the duplicates from here alone, and then we'll remove the duplicates from here alone. Now we're going to have two distinct strings. Now we combine both strings. When we combine both strings, there may be additional duplicates. That's a string that was up here that is also up here. For example, we have A here and we also have A here. So once we combine, we remove again the duplicates from the combined version of the two. And once we've done that, we're going to have distinct strings. Now we can sort. So what do? I'm going to create a separate function that removes duplicate. Now I don't need to code that because I found a code on Google which removes duplicate from a string. Now we can test that if you want. So I can just copy that function and go to my Node.js console and paste that function there, and then I can use it and pass in a parameter. Let's just say America. There are two A's in America. You can see the last A is gone, so the function works. So I'll just copy that function and come to codewars and paste it. That knocks one problem out of the way. So sometimes this is how you code in real life. You get a function that does what you want, and you just know how to. You just need to understand how it works and how to use it, and you're fine. So that's the first thing. And then secondly, I'm going to create another function that sorts a string. We're going to need this when we want to remove duplicates, but at the end, like I said before, we have to sort the final string. So I'm going to create a function that sorts a string, and I'm going to pass the string in parameter. And then how do we sort the string? I just return I need to take the string and split it so that it becomes an array of characters. Once I've done that, I now sort the string. Sorry about this. I sort the string, and when I've sorted the string, I join it back from the array form into the string form. Basically that's it. So let's come to the initial part of our program. So I said we have to remove duplicates from individual string and combine them. This is a function that removes duplicate. I'm going to use that. So we're going to remove duplicates from string 1, plus we're going to remove duplicates on string 2. Now when you do a plus, you add two strings, it's going to combine them. So it's going to combine the non-duplicated form. After that, I'm going to remove duplicates on the combined result. So let me just put this in the parentheses. Let me just go to full screen so that you can see. Yeah, something like that. All right. Okay, I'll just shorten this so that it's easier to understand. Remove duplicate. Something like this, something like this. Yeah, so make it shorter. So you remove duplicate. So we're going to remove duplicate from the first string and remove duplicate from the second string, and then we add them together, and then combine results. We remove duplicates on the combined result. I'm going to put this into a variable called the combined string is equal to that. That's it. Now once I've done that, I can now sort the combined string and return. So I'm going to return the sorted version of the combined string. That's it. Right now I can test the function so that we see how it works. Let's come back to our normal screen. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to test the function. It works, and then I attempt on the final result. Everything is okay. Pass all 201 tests, and then submit. So I'm going to put under the description below the link to this function that removes duplicate, but you can solve it yourself. You can actually write it yourself. It's a very simple function. So I've just submitted. That's it. Now let's try to understand what other people did apart from what we did. This is it's practically the same thing, but this is a good solution. Generally, they say this is a new set. Let me explain what's going on. So if we have a string like this, let me just declare a string str to be equal to America once again. Set has already been declared. Let's just call this S. All right, so we have a string S, which is America. So if I create a set, let me create a function mySet, which is equal to a new set, and I pass in my string there. What is my set equal to? My set becomes this. So a set is it removes duplicate automatically. You can see my set is America without the A. So that's another way to remove duplicates instead of creating a function like we used here. We just convert it into a set. So that's what he did. He converted into a set the addition of both strings, and then he sorted the final result. This is actually I don't know if there can be something shorter than this. And when you convert to a set, what's that? Well, basically that's what he did. That's what he did. So when he converts to a set, he converted to a set. Let's break it down again. He converted to a set, the combined version of both of them, and then he took the set, and this is a spread operator here. He took the set and put it into an array, permitting him to sort later on. That's it. Well, no need to this is the same thing here. Instead of using the spread operator, this one set array from new set. So it's the same thing. So whatever solution is used here, we are going to notice that it's practically the same approach, just different way of writing. This one, he combines the string automatically, and then he splits and then he sorts and filters. Practically is the same thing. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for viewing, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notification on other algorithms as they are coming forth in the coming days. Thank you, and have a nice day.